What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking an industrial juicer costs 45,000. It will be used for 5 years and then sold to a remarketer for $25,000. If interest is 15%, what net yearly savings are needed to justify its purchase? Now let's see how to calculate this one. This is the formula. This capital recovery formula that's given as this. A is equal to P minus S times A over P I N plus S times I. Here P is 45,000 minus S is 25,000 and then A over P, and the interest rate is 15%, and then here this is for 5 years, so 5 right here, plus S times I. S is 25,000 times 15%, and after you calculate this one, you're gonna get A is equal to 9,716.2, and that's the final answer. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.